Now we have to start the exercise 10.1 of the straight line. So first of all we will recapitulate that what we have studied yesterday. Yesterday I have told you to how to find out the slope of the line. Suppose this is the y-axis, this is the x-axis. The line passing through the x-axis, positive x-axis, the line makes an angle with the positive x-axis in the anti-clockwise direction is called theta. That is the angle of inclination. That is the angle of inclination. The line which makes the angle with the positive direction of the x-axis is called the angle of inclination. And the tan theta of that line is give the slope of the line. Slope means how much it is tilt. कितनी झुकी हुई है, क्या इस लाइन का स्लोप है, that will be given by the tan of theta and we will represent the slope by m. हम स्लोप को m से represent करेंगे, ठीक है. Now to find out the slope of the line, suppose the line is parallel to the y-axis. This we have studied yesterday. The line which are parallel to the y-axis, what will be the slope of that line? See, the angle is equal to 90 degree. Angle between the positive x-axis and the line, the angle is equal to how much? 90 degree. If theta is equal to 90 degree, it means the slope is equal to not defined. Slope is equal to not defined. It means the slope of the y-axis and the lines parallel to the y-axis is how much? Not defined. Now the lines parallel to the x-axis. These are the lines which are parallel to the x-axis. In this case, the theta is equal to what? 0 degree. So the slope is equal to what? Tan 0 degree. It is equal to 0. It means the slope of the x-axis, and the lines parallel to the x-axis is equal to 0. Okay. तो जो लाइन पैरेलल टू वाई एक्सेस है एंड द वाई एक्सेस इटसेल्फ, दे आर हैविंग द स्लोप नॉट डिफाइंड एंड द स्लोप ऑफ द एक्स एक्सेस एंड द लाइन पैरेलल टू द एक्स एक्सेस इज इक्वल टू व्हाट? 0. नाउ नेक्स्ट, सपोज दे हैव नॉट गिवन यू द थीटा. दिस ऑल्सो वी हैव स्टडीड. थीटा नहीं दिया, दे हैव गिवन अस द कोऑर्डिनेट ऑफ द 2 पॉइंट ए पॉइंट एंड बी पॉइंट, दैट इज x1 y1 and x2 y2. x1 y1 and x2 y2, and we have to find out the slope of the line. So how to find out the slope of the line when the coordinates are given to us, that is y2 minus y1 upon x2 minus x1. This is the way to find out the slope of the line. इस तरीके से आप coordinates given हो तो you can find out the slope of the line. Now after this what we have studied? The condition of the parallel and the perpendicular line. If the lines are parallel to each other, then the slope of the first line will be equal to the slope of the second line. Or we can say that if the slope of the two lines are equal to each other, then the lines are parallel to each other. अगर दो lines का slope आपस में बराबर है तो उस condition में दोनों की slope जो होगी वो क्या होगी? बराबर होगी. Now for the perpendicular line, if we want to prove that the lines are perpendicular with the help of the slope, the condition is m1 into m2 is equal to minus 1. Means the slope of the first line multiplied by the slope of the second line will be equal to what? Minus 1. The slope of the first line multiplied by the slope of the second line will be equal to minus 1. Now if we want to prove that the points are collinear, suppose these three are the points A, B and C, and we want to prove that these points are collinear to each other. So what we will do? The slope of the line AB is equal to the slope of the line BC. Okay, the slope of the line AB is equal to slope of the line BC. B is the common point. अगर दोनों का slope बराबर आ गया तो we can say that कि the points are collinear to each other. Now one more thing we have studied, that is when the two lines intersect each other. अगर दो लाइन आपस में intersect करती हैं तो एक एंगल बनेगा थीटा and the second angle is 180 minus theta. So how to find out this angle theta? So the formula to find out the angle theta is equal to tan theta m2 minus m1 upon 1 plus m1 into m2. What is this m1 and m2? This m1 is the slope of the first line and m2 is the slope of the second line. m1 is the slope of the first line and m2 is the slope of the second line. So like this we can find out the angle between the two lines. अगर मेरी सॉल्व करके सपोज ये वैल्यू 1 आ गई तो थीटा इज इक्वल टू 45 डिग्री एंड द सेकेंड एंगल दैट इज 180 माइनस 45 दैट इज इक्वल टू 135 डिग्री. These things we have already studied in the previous lecture. कल हमने ये सारी बातें पढ़ ली थी, आज हमने इनको recapitulate कर लिया. Okay? Now we will start the exercise 10.1. हम exercise 10.1 start करते हैं. What is the question 1 of the exercise 10.1? Question number 1. Question is, draw a quadrilateral in a Cartesian plane whose vertices are minus 4, 5, 0, 7, 5, minus 5 and minus 4, minus 2. And the question is, find the area of the quadrilateral. So first of all, you plot this quadrilateral. Rough plot. X minus 1, y 5. इसको थोड़ा और नीचे कर लो. X is minus 4, y is equal to 5. Let this point be here. 0, 7, definitely this point will be here. Then C point, x is 5, y is minus 5. Let this point be here. And minus 4, minus 2. D point, let this point be C, this is T, minus 4, minus 2. Now join it. Now you have to find out the area of this triangle. I am joining these 2 points. Now all of you find out the area of the triangle ABD and area of the triangle BDC. How you will find out the area of these two triangles? Formula is half, जो last year पढ़ा था, x1 y2 minus y3 plus x2 y3 minus y1 plus x1 y1 minus y2. इसका एरिया निकालो, सिमिलरली इसका एरिया भी निकालो. Then area of the quadrilateral ABCD is equal to area of the triangle ABD plus area of the triangle BDC. Just find out the area. Find out the area. Now area of this triangle you are getting 46.5 and this triangle is equal to 14. We will add this value, 46.5 plus 14, that is equal to 60.5. So area of the quadrilateral will be equal to this. Question number 2. Question number 2 is, The base of an equilateral triangle with the side 2a lies along a y-axis. This is A, this is A, this is 2a, this is also 2a, A, B, C. I am giving the hint, you have to solve this. We have to find out the coordinates of this. This will be 0 comma minus a, this will be 0 comma a because it is lying on a y-axis. It is a equilateral triangle, so by Pythagoras theorem you find out the length of OC. So OC square is equal to 2a square, means that is 4a square minus a square. So OC square is equal to 3a square. OC is equal to root 3a. So this coordinate will be root 3a comma 0. ज़रूरी नहीं है ट्राइंगल इसी साइड बने, ट्राइंगल कैन ऑल्सो बी दिस साइड ऑल्सो, इजंट इट? इस साइड भी तो बन सकता है. C डैश लिख देती हूँ इसको. सो द कोऑर्डिनेट विल बी माइनस रूट 3a comma 0. ओके. Now the third question is, find the distance between the point P x1 y1 and Q x2 y2. Two conditions are there when it is parallel to the y-axis and when it is parallel to the x-axis. First you find out the distance. Distance formula है आपके पास x2 minus x1 का whole square plus y2 minus y1 का whole square. First condition, when the line is parallel to the y-axis. When the line is parallel to the y-axis, then in that case x coordinate will be same. x2 will be equal to x1. तो ये तो 0 हो गया, तो डिस्टेंस कितना आ गया? y2 माइनस y1 का होल स्क्वायर, और रूट से बाहर आ गया, दैट इज y2 माइनस y1. और सेकेंड कंडीशन, व्हेन द लाइन इज पैरेलल टू द एक्स एक्सिस. अब जब आपकी लाइन एक्स एक्सिस के पैरेलल है तो इस कंडीशन में y1 इज इक्वल टू y2 हो गया, ये दोनों चीज़ें 0 के बराबर हो गई, तो डिस्टेंस इज इक्वल टू अंडर रूट x2 माइनस x1 का होल स्क्वायर, दैट इज x2 माइनस mod. So this is the way to find out the distance between these two. Now you copy it down. Now the fourth question is, find the point on the x-axis which is equidistant from 7. ये क्वेश्चन आप क्लास 10th में कर चुके हैं. एक पॉइंट है एक्स एक्सिस पे x, 0. ए पॉइंट आपको दे रखा है, दैट इज 7, 6. बी पॉइंट आपको दे रखा है, दैट इज 3, 4. यू फाइंड आउट द डिस्टेंस द पॉइंट x. तो पी ए विल बी इक्वल टू पी बी और पी ए स्क्वायर विल बी इक्वल टू पी बी स्क्वायर. डिस्टेंस फार्मूला लगाओ, x माइनस 7 का होल स्क्वायर प्लस 0 माइनस 6 का होल स्क्वायर इज इक्वल टू x माइनस 3 का होल स्क्वायर प्लस 0 माइनस 4 का होल स्क्वायर. इसको सॉल्व करो, सो यू विल गेट द वैल्यू ऑफ द x. आपको x की वैल्यू मिल जाएगी इसमें. क्वेश्चन नंबर 5. पहले मैं एक्सप्लेन कर लूँ, देन you solve all these question. Find the slope of the line which is passing through the origin and the midpoint of these two. 0, -4 and B point is 8, 0. So first of all we will find out the midpoint of this. What will be the midpoint? x1 plus x2 upon 2, so that is equal to 4. y1 plus y2 upon 2, that is -2. Now you have to find out the slope. निकालो स्लोप, दैट इज y2 माइनस y1 अपॉन x2 माइनस x1. ये वैल्यू रखो, आपका स्लोप निकल जाएगा. -2 माइनस 0 अपॉन 4 माइनस 0. नाउ द सिक्स्थ क्वेश्चन इज, विदाउट यूजिंग द पाइथागोरस थ्योरम शो दैट these are the vertices of the right angle triangle. Now how you have to do? Suppose this point is A, this is B and this is C. you find out the slope of AB, you find out the slope of BC, you find out the slope of AC. How? y2 minus y1 upon x2 minus x1, y2 minus y1 upon x2 minus x1, तीनों की स्लोप निकालो. अगर किसी दो के स्लोप का प्रोडक्ट -1 के बराबर आ जाए तो दैट टू लाइन्स आर पैरेलल टू ईच अदर. इसका शायद -1 आ रहा है, इसका +1 आ रहा है. सो अगर यहाँ हो गया तो आप लिखोगे AB इज़ परपेंडिकुलर टू AC. और अगर किसी ट्राइंगल में दो लाइंस पैरेलल हैं, परपेंडिकुलर हैं, तो वी कैन से दैट आर द राइट एंगल ट्राइंगल. नाउ क्वेश्चन नंबर 7. Find the slope of the line which makes an angle of 30 degree with the positive direction of the y-axis. See, ये y-axis के साथ 30 डिग्री का एंगल बना रहा है, बट एंगल ऑफ इंक्लिनेशन आपको मैंने क्या बताया था, x-axis के साथ. सो दिस इज द थीटा. सो थीटा विल बी इक्वल टू हाउ मच, 90 + 30, तो दैट इज इक्वल टू 120. और मुझे स्लोप निकालनी है, that is tan 120 degree, and this we have studied in trigonometry. How? Tan 180 degree minus 60 degree. So this will be equal to, it will come in the second quadrant, minus tan 60 degree, क्योंकि tan 180 minus theta second quadrant में जाएगा. That is equal to -√3. स्लोप आ गया आपका. Okay. Now question number 8 is find the value of the x so that the points are collinear to each other. Points collinear बताना है. Suppose this is the point x, 1 -1 sorry. This is the point 2, 1. This is the point 4, 5. Now what you do? इसको A point ले लो, इसको B point ले लो, इसको C point ले लो. तो slope of AB will be equal to the slope of BC. y2 minus y1, 2 upon 2 minus x is equal to 4 upon 2. Simplify it and find out the value of the x. Simplify it and find out the value of the x. Now the last question which I am explaining you, that is the question number 9th. Without using the distance formula, show that these coordinate -2, -1, 4, 0, 3, 3 and -3, 2 are the vertices of the parallelogram. So in this question what you will do, let this point be A, B, C, D. You find out the slope of AB, BC, CD and AD. If it is a parallelogram, so definitely the slope of the two lines will be same. Suppose AB और CD का आ गया तो they are parallel, BC और AD का आ गया तो they are parallel. So in a quadrilateral, if the opposite pairs are parallel to each other, we can say that is the vertices of the parallelogram. वो आपके parallelogram के vertices हो जाएंगे. ठीक है बेटे. Now you solve exercise 10.1 from question number 1 to question number 9.